my channel. This is Humaira from Humaira the Makeup Fairy, and today we will be showing this perfect daytime makeup look. As you can see, I have created this look with a really golden neutral eye and red lips. And if you wanna know how I did this look, please keep watching.
As you can see, I have already prepped and moisturized my skin really well. Now I am going to use the primer. Today I will be using this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser Primer. Now I am going to color correct my skin using this Lauder Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Orange. I am going to use a really thin amount of concealer in my problem areas. I am going to use this Lauder Pro Coverage HD Foundation in the shade Warm Beige all over my face. I am dotting it all over my face, and now I will be blending it with this Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Now I am going to highlight my face. I am using this Lauder Pro Coverage Concealer in the shade Yellow to highlight my face. I am using this in my under eye areas, forehead and smile areas. And again I will be blending it with this Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. To set my face, I am going to use this W7 Banana Dreams Loose Powder. I am going to contour my face using Makeup Revolution Contour Palette, and I am mixing these two colors to contour my face. I have a really big face, so I love hard contouring and blending it out. I am going to contour my nose using the same palette. I am going to dust off the excess powder from baking. Now I am going to prep and prime my eyes with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. And setting it with a powder. Now I am going to use this non-branded 35O palette, and I am using this really light transition shade in my crease. I am using this really brownish dark shade in my crease. This dark shade will stand out my crease well, and blending it with a brush. Now I will be using these two dark shades, and both are brown, and I will be mixing it with the red shade. and again I am blending everything. Now I am going to use this Postal Scents golden eyeshadow, which is called 18 karat gold, in my eyelid area. This is a really gold color, and again I am blending my crease. I am going to use the golden rose eyeliner and giving a wing. Now I will be using this near kajal in my lower lash line, and I will be blending it with a brown kind of shadow. Now I am going to use this Makeup Academy eyebrow kit, and I will be filling my eyebrows with it. And I will be setting my eyebrow with this Elf Clear Brow Gel. I am going to use Estee Lauder Sumptous Volume Mascara, and I will be applying it generously. So now I am done with my eyes. I am going to use this LA Girl highlighter in the shade 60 Watt to highlight my face, and I will be using this same shade in my inner corner and also the brow bone. For blush, I am going to use this pink kind of blush from Sleek Blush Palette. Now I am going to use this Colorpop lipstick in the shade Creeper. And to set my face I am using this e.l.f. makeup mist and set, and I will be spraying it all over my face.
So this is the final look I have created as a party look with a really smoky eyes and bold red lips. You can change your lip color as per your preference. Like if you want to use a nude color, you can go for it with it. It will suit in any kind of look. And again, you can use it in any type of party like birthday party, office party, or anything like that. And I personally like to use bold lip colors quite a lot, so I try to use red lips, maybe berry kind of lips in my any type of party. So that's all. This is if you like this video, give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click the notification bell below so that you don't miss any of my videos whenever I update my channel. If you wanna know anything about my makeup or any type of skincare, feel free to comment in the comment box below, and all the products that I have used in my makeup today are already listed in the description box. So that is all for today. Allah Hafiz.